I'm making new cabinet doors for my kitchen, and I got this jig for 35 millimeter bolts on it. And this one I got online. It has no instructions, but I figured it out. It comes with this template right here, and this goes on here. Actually, it comes disassembled. You have to put this on there. It's very simple. The way it comes, this comes off, this is off, this is the way it comes, like this, and it says right there, 35 millimeters. And put it in there. Put the lock in there, lock ring. Tighten it. It also comes with a little drill bit for the guides for the hinge, for the screws for the hinge, and depending on your hinge is where it goes on the little holes in here. And I figure that this is set. I set mine at 5 millimeters. I'll show you a close-up later. And it comes with this adapters that go on this side. These adapters are for if you have a bit for 26 millimeters, I believe that's what they said. 26 millimeters, so then you use this adapters and then make it wider, right there, for the 26 millimeters. And what this does, it creates a distance for here. So, and I'll show you a close-up. But basically, what I did is I set it on here at 25, at 5, and put the jig on there. And with my drill, I drilled it, and I have it set for 4 inches from here. So this 4 inches from the center, and it has 2 measurements, 4 and 3 inches. And then when you go to the other side, then you do 4 inches on this side. And I just measure with the measuring tape, and in here for my center one, because this is will end up being very heavy, so I want to make sure that it has 3 of them. And then that one I center it here. And now I'll show you. So it has no instructions, like I said, so you have to figure it out yourself. This is the pin that goes in there for 4 inches, right? And my setting, it's at 5 millimeters there, 5 millimeters on each side. What that gives you is an offset here from the center of, you'll see that, 5 millimeters. Okay, if you change it, let's see, if I were to change it to, let's say 4 or 3 millimeters, I'm gonna change it to 3 millimeters on both, then this will be, you can actually tell when we put this on, that it would be a couple millimeters to the, a couple millimeters right there, more to the edge. Yeah, so in my case, I wanted this specific one because of the hinge that I got when I set my hinge there. See, this is with the door closed. Once the door's open, you see my hinge, the edge of it, it's at the 5 millimeter mark. So that's what I wanted. And then if you're gonna make them, I'll show you. I'm gonna set it up for another door and show you how to make it. Okay, so I'm gonna demonstrate how I make this one. So basically, I already have it set up on my jig like I showed you before. it's already set, and I'll use the pin at 4 inches from the edge. So it has a mark for 4 inches and 3 inches. Then it's already set. You see the alignment right there. It's already set right there, and so that is where it's going to go against the board. Oh, I had it at 5 before. Make sure I have it the right one. Both at 5. There. Okay, let's clear this. Test my hinge. There it is. Exactly the way I wanted it.